Let's pick a thumbnail template and go over to our elements to add background to our page. Let's customize the background a little bit by adding the word tone to it. Now let's go over to frame. One thing you should know that frames are also shapes. You can place a picture into any shape by using frames to achieve this. Let's take this frame for an example, and let's go over to our upload and drag a picture into it. That's how you put the picture into the shape. Let's pick this shape too and drag this picture again into it. Let's go back to element and back to frame. So if you don't see the particular frame it is you're looking for, you can just create your own frame. So I'll be showing you a frame I created. Let's go over to project so we can pick this frame. We'll be using this map of Africa frame. Let's paste it into a new page and delete the image it came with. If you've not seen the video I made on how to create your own frame, I would link it in the description. Let's scale that down and let's go back to our upload and select the image and drop it in, just like so. You can actually drop image into any frame or any shape of your choice. Let's pick this love shape for example, and let's place our image into it. You can rotate the frame, you can position the image in the frame how you want it to be. You can rotate it in any direction just to your pleasing. Don't be afraid to experiment. You can resize it to what size you want it. You can position your picture wherever you want it to be. Just do what works for you. Now let's add a leaf frame which I also created to the page, and let's drag an image and drop into it. Let's double tap the frame to position the image where we want it to be inside the frame. This is how to place an image into a frame. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and if you got value from this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and do have a good one.